Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I am going to put my makeup on because I've got to run out and get some lunch, and I thought that I would do it with you. I have just switched over twice in my purses. This is one of my, this is the Chanel I got. I cannot remember if I ever hauled this. Did I do an unboxing of this? This, I got at the Vestiaire collection, and it is older. I see no stains. There's a little bit of the wearing of color, but this is so buttery soft, and I have wanted this purse for a long time. It's an older GST. It's very slouchy. It's not structural at all. That's the only thing. And it has this pocket. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is not why I started. On the outside, that's where I throw my phone, keys, and then on the inside, I have my trusty, as y'all know, organizer. And I literally just take it from one bag and put it in here. And there is my pills. I still need to, still finishing up on my eyes, y'all. I don't remember what I did with my phone. Is it in here? I don't see it. So what did I do with this? The big question. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, but anyway, so as y'all saw in another video, I did get my hair colored, and I used my Madison Reed Root Touch-Up is why it looks so good through there, and that is this product. I did a video I just uploaded on how to use Madison Reed. This is the light brown, and I highly recommend this. It does not fix a thinning or balding problem in any way, shape, or form, but it does help. It does help it not be such a glaring part, and that's why I love it. So I'm quickly going to be putting on some makeup. I got this in this little pack. I think I did a haul video vlog, and this is like a neoprene Chanel makeup pouch, which I do like. It's got the little square. Normally it says Chanel Beauty, which I'm glad it just says Chanel. I feel like it's worth more. Not that I'm going to sell it, but it's just basic. And the samples, as y'all know, come in these nice little they're supposed to look like silk satin, I don't know what, but it's a little Chanel bag. I don't know if you can see it because it's tone on tone name. But that's always good for putting something you think might leak, or might, if you want to put jewelry in there. But this is just a nice size. I always hold things to my face so you can see. This is a nice size travel pouch. And in it came some sports, that's why it's kind of neoprene, some sports kind of stuff. It came with waterproof Chanel mascara, which I've tried and I will do again today. It's not, I'm sorry, is it waterproof? Yes. This Sheer Healthy Glow Moisturizing Tint. So I'm not put moisturizer on except my eye cream. And that today, what is that? It's the Charlotte Tilbury eye cream. And then, what else did it come with? Oh, this lip sheer, which I might use today. Y'all know I'm not a lipstick person, but it says it's lip sheer. So I'm betting it's kind of like a lip balm. It does not have a scent, and it's very red. So once this wears off, if it wears off, I'll have it in my purse. And then it also came with my, y'all know I keep this in my purse, so that's why it's already in there. My hydrating mist. And this alone is 98 bucks. I know that's really expensive, but I absolutely love this product. Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. It is a hydration, protection, radiance, energizing mist. The main thing is when I feel sleepy or I even feel hungry, I will spray this to wake myself up or to kind of re-energize myself. Because sometimes I think you just need a little oomph and you don't need food. And sometimes if I'm driving and I feel sleepy, this can be a, you shouldn't be sleepy and then drive, but if you find yourself being sleepy, sometimes if you do some sort of a face spray, I used to carry this in my purse in case that happened. This is the MAC Fix Plus 1 ounce, and it's tiny and it fits, but, and it's also a very nice smell, and it just sets your makeup and refreshes you, but I really like this better. Love the scent, and that came in this. So that, plus I've been wanting to try the waterproof mascara. These two pieces were just kind of like gimmies or whatever, that I really got it for the bag and this product and this, because this alone would have been the cost of all that. So I felt like it was really a good deal, since I know that I will use this product. And I will put that back in my purse right now because I do use it and I do keep it in my purse. It's not that heavy. It has a little weight, but not bad. So the other thing that I got was this travel purse. Travel Chanel, and this in velvet, and it's got this little thing that kind of keeps it on good. This would fit in that, so this would be a good little travel pouch all the way around. And I noticed inside here there is a little teeny sample size of Chanel, the regular, not waterproof mascara. So this makes this kind of a complete face. What am I trying to say? Face palette. So I'd showed this to you guys before, but I have not used it in front of you yet. I did do it in another video. And do keep that, by the way. When you're going to use a palette for travel, you do want to keep the little plastic piece, especially this one. It's form-fitted, it's a little harder, and it protects it from getting all crunched up when you're traveling. So it's got warm tones, it's got cool tones, it's got powder, blush, and lipstick. It's got, you know what? I should use those. It's got dual-ended sponge applicators instead of brushes, which I do like. And it's also got a brush for blending and also, I guess, for lipstick, because they're both very, especially that one's very dense. You know, I really think this is to be used, the lip products to be used with your finger. But it also comes with a brush. We will use that. So we'll use the brushes, everything that came with it, and I'm just going to do a look, get right to it. Now for foundation, I am going to use this. You could use your hands and then just wash your hands, but since I don't have a sink present, if you were on the beach or wherever you're vacating to, then you would have that. So I'm just going to use my new IT Cosmetics, what's it called? Love is the Foundation. Sparkle Day. It's got little hearts. This would be a perfect gift for a Thanksgiving. Valentine's or an anniversary to your wife, if anybody's watching for shopping for your wife. There you go. So I just used that much. This is extremely sheer, so it's also very moisturizing. So this is what I would say about using this product. First of all, it's so sheer, I think I got the light one. You can get light, medium. There's 3 choices if you have light, medium, or dark skin. And I obviously have more light. If you'll notice, the coverage, all it's really doing, it's very light coverage. This is not to cover up blemishes. This is not to cover up redness. It does even the skin out to one color, and you still can see through my age spots right there. Not as bad. I mean, it's sheer, and I just want to emphasize that it's sheer. I don't want you to think this is good coverage. I shouldn't say good. It's good coverage for a sheer product, but it is sheer. I just want to be very clear. It's sheer. So all this is doing is just kind of blending out color throughout your face. You can do that if you want. That's it. I would go ahead. I don't think it's going to even need to make a difference, but always elongate your face and get rid of any line. Actually, I do see a line. Yeah. Get rid of that. Yeah. You don't want to be that person, y'all. When somebody's looking at you from the side, they go, oh, look, she didn't blend her makeup. That looks terrible. Then I do always do this, just kind of pack it into the pores. Now, what will I say about this? For one thing, as usual, it's Chanel. It smells wonderful. And it does give just an overall consistent color look. It's very light sheer coverage, but it is some coverage. So that's one thing. The other thing is it's extremely moisturizing. Look how glowy I look from that. I don't know if it's just a sheen that's in the product. But it says it has a moisturizer. The active ingredients are octinoxate 5% and titanium dioxide 6.4. Why is that? Because it is an SPF 30. So this is great to wear when you're going on beach vacations. It's got a very strong SPF in it, and it does work. What else? This is the Le Beige line. So that's where this line comes from. And what you'll notice is instead of being, this is another Le Beige. Instead of being the black and white, see how this is black and white? It's beige and black. It's the reverse, and it's also, instead of white, it's beige. And that's what's called Le Beiges. Le Beige. I think that was, is that an eye palette or was it powder? That was an eye palette. That's where that's been. I've had it on the backdrop all this time. Looky there, y'all. That's like perfection in a palette. Perfect. You know what? I'm going to sit that right here so I can use that sometime and do a tutorial. Because it's back there, I've been forgetting about it. But anyway, so this is also beige and black, and this little logo is also beige and black. So these are good to keep in this little, you know, to-go palette, and so is this. Now but this is the regular Chanel packaging. Okay, so let's just get right to, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the cool tones today. What do y'all think? Should I use brown or should I use, because these are like mauve-y and these are like brownie. So those are cool and this is warm. I think I actually will try using the cool tones. So I'm going to use the brush that came with it. And again, this isn't your best makeup brush in the world, but it will apply. And I'm going to use that to go under the brow and get that color under the brow and the inner corner and over the lid. So that's just the top one is a highlighter shimmer product, and you can just kind of lightly go over the rest of the eye like that. So that's what I'm starting with. So let's just get this one now. You can do it that way or you can do it this way, either way with the brush. It's like an angled brush, but it's very small, so it's not going to have the same effect as a larger one. And again, you're going right over the tear duct and then brushing over the lid. I'm going to put a little extra over the lid because I do want a whiter look. Whiter. Look, it's not white, it's a mauve pink shimmer. But it's doing what I want it to do. It's waking up the area, and then I'm just going to kind of brush that over. Okay? Because it's purpley tone, it could make your eyes look red. That's the only thing I feel like it's making my eyes look red. But we'll see. We'll see. Alright, so we're going with the next tone and down, and that is what we're going to use for the transition color. And this is more of a, it should be like a taupey mauve. And it is, so it's good to just go into the crease and then go blend up. Right into the color you just did. Just blend up.